Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to do screen recording. Guys, by following few simple steps, you can capture gameplay, tutorials or save an important video call on your Samsung phone. But the problem is that there is no native screen recorder in your Samsung phone. So what to do? You have to download a screen recorder application from Play Store. The screen recording video you are watching now, I use the X Recorder app. This is the best screen recorder, and this video is not sponsored. I will provide the recorder download link in this video description. Alternatively, you can use A to Z screen recorder and Movision screen recorder app. Guys, after install the X Recorder app, open it. You are using the free version, so sometime advertisement may be appear. Now tap on Continue to app. X Recorder may ask for permission to access your device media, microphone and overlay display. Make sure to allow this permission for the app to work smoothly. Go to Enable Floating icon and turn on X Recorder permission. After that, go back. Next, allow all X Recorder media permission. Next, X Recorder will send you notification. Don't allow it. Now that X Recorder is ready, let's go over the settings. Tap the settings icon in X Recorder. Here you can customize options like audio source, video resolution, frame rate and bitrate. Audio settings. Here you have to choose the recording sound source. You can record external microphone sound, internal audio sound or both internal and microphone sound. Also you can adjust the capturing sound volume. If you want to record video call or gameplay video, then select the internal and microphone option. Video settings. Now go to video settings. For high quality recording, set the resolution to at least 1080p. Choose the quality 16 Mbps and the frame rate to 60 fps if your device support it. Then tap here. Guys, these settings are sufficient for high quality video recording. You can also change other settings according to your usage. Alright, now go back to the home screen and look for the X Recorder overlay button. Tap the floating X Recorder button and select the record option. Tap the Start Now button, then a countdown timer will appear. After that, your screen recording will start. If you want to draw or mark something on the screen, tap on the floating icon. Then you will see a drawing tool. Tap here. Now you can draw as you wish on the screen. At the bottom of this toolbox contain with various type of shape and marking function, which you can use for marking during screen recording. Click here to close the drawing tool. To stop the recording, tap the floating X Recorder button again and select Stop. X Recorder will automatically save your recording to your gallery. Let's check out the recording we just made. Go to Samsung File Manager. Tap Internal Storage. Select Movies. Then open X Recorder folder. Here you will get the all recording files. Guys, X Recorder also has basic editing tools. You can trim the video or add some effect right in the app. Now you know how to record your mobile screen using X Recorder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy recording.